This week on Homeless 101. I can't. Oh, is it still filming?
Yeah.
Might as well put this in the bloopers. I'm just gonna put this in, I don't even. Stop laughing!
I ain't going over here. I'm over here with you. Oh, fuck.
What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the Caddy. Today we're going to be doing something quite simple but very effective on these because the Siderails on them just look horrible. So we've got a Siderail cover to paint and fit today, which will colour code to the van itself. So let's get to it. As you can see, the actual Siderail on the Caddy is exposed and it just lets the side down, unfortunately. I don't like the look of these, never have done. So hopefully it should just add a bit more character to this van and just give it a bit of a cleaner look down the side, because I don't know why Volkswagen did this, but it's just like a big gaping hole down the side. It just, yeah, not a bit of me, but hopefully today we should be sorting that out. As you can see, we have the Siderail here, and along with this we have a couple of captive nuts, a couple of bolts, and just a popper for the end. Nothing too crazy. The hardest part in this video will just be painting the actual Siderail itself. We have some lovely blue paint to paint the van in, and obviously some etching primer as well. So yeah, let's start prepping this thing. So to prep this, all we're going to do is just use some 400 grit sandpaper, as there is a slight, you can't really see it, but there's like a slight imperfection on the actual Siderail itself. So as you can see now, it's all rubbed down. We're just gonna give it a bit of panel wipe to just clean the dust and grit off of it, and then we're gonna start applying the etch primer. Okay, so we've just, Luke's just applied a couple of coats. Just going to wait for this to dry. And whilst we're doing that, we'll get the base coat ready to go. Okay, so we've given it some time to dry, and we've also just panel wiped the actual Siderail cover again. So now it's time for some blue base coat to be applied to it. Okay, so a very, very light first coat to begin with, and then we'll just build them up as we go.
Right, just going to put on the last coat now.
Got the final coat applied, so now we're going to be applying some lacquer. Okay, so that's the final coat of lacquer applied. As you can see, it's got a real nice finish to it. So we're just going to give this some time to dry, and then hopefully in the next clip you'll see us fitting this to the actual van itself.
Right, so that's the panel dried up and ready to go back on. It's pretty simple to fit. We've got one little push clip that goes in this end, that pops into this section of the van here, and then you've got two little clips that slide into a section in the side rail here, and they're just bolted on with two Allen key bolts. Right, so these are your little clips. As you can see, there's two little holes here. These basically just slide in place there, one there, another one there. Like that. So a little black clip just slots in like that. Through there. And then that's in. Right, so that's the panel on the van now. As you can see, there is a slight colour difference, but it's not that bad. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.